Today we're going to be reviewing what's in this BoxyCharm Luxe. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry and today I'm doing a review on the BoxyCharm Luxe. So what do we have in the box today? You know, we got some good stuff in here, I'm sure. So let's go ahead and open it up and find out. So I don't have a knife. So we're just going to get this open somehow. Yeah. Take that tape. Yeah. Alright. So now the tape's ripped some of the stuff off the box. It's a great plan. Good stuff. So in this BoxyCharm, let's go ahead and open it up. So if you notice, the inside of the box is super BoxyCharmy. It says BoxyCharm, hashtag BoxyCharm at the top. Ooh, this is beautiful, guys. So, what do we have on the agenda today? We have let's get started. So first thing out of this box is we have this thing that's wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bubble wrap. If you can see, it's all bubble wrappy. It's not been fully popped. You can pop it if you want. Woo! Yes! I've been waiting all day for that. So I guess maybe we'll pay attention to what was in the bubble wrap. In the bubble wrap, we have this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. Yes, that's right, you heard me. The Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Pro Series, guys. This just gets me going. So inside, you'll notice that we have different colors of eyeshadow. Who else does that? Who else gives you different colors of eyeshadows in their eyeshadow palette? Only Violet Voss's Essential Pro Series eyeshadow palette. If you take a look at these, you have colors such as gold, emerald, cinnamon, plumberry. Just so many colors. There's like a whole 10 of them. Wow. That's some Pro Series for you. So up next, we have some bigger bubble wrap that's a little bit harder to pop. So we'll just put that to the side for now. Maybe I'll pop it here for like a video outro or something. Yeah. But next item on our list is the Tarte High Performance Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette. Whew, they really give these, this box really has some, you know, a lot of words for some of these makeup items now. Mouthfuls. Whew. Tongue twisters. You're not supposed to actually pronounce the names of them. You're just supposed to abbreviate it, like the Tarte Double P Chisel Palette. You know, Double P for Park Avenue Princess. Yeah. So here is the palette. Do you see this, guys? This palette is, oh wow, that's too bright. This palette is gold. And within the gold palette, if you can ever figure out how to open it up, we have different colors of gold. So we have different colors of gold, you know, for this chisel palette. It's it's really cool because unlike the other one that has 10 colors, this has 6 different shades of gold, which when you're looking for a chisel palette, that's what you want. You don't need 10 colors, you only need 6 shades of gold. So that is our chisel palette. Really cool stuff. Really hard to get back in the box, guys. But that's next item on our list. So after our eyeshadow and our chisel palette, so next out of the box we have this Mistress Hydrating Hairball. Let's see if I can get this into focus for y'all. There we go. Yeah. It's probably too bright. Oh well, it's too bright. My lights are too bright, sorry. But either way, if you could see it, this is a pretty cool hair balm. This is what I use to, you know, balm up my hair. You know, super useful. You know, people sometimes touch my hair and they say, "Josh, your hair is so soft." I say, "I know. It's because I'm using this Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm." Good times. So next on the list, we have Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream Sunday Riley. Again, another mouthful. You know, another mouthful for y'all. There we go. Stop snapping to my face. Either way, whatever. Good times. This is, you know, it's a water cream. I don't think I have to tell you what that does. You should already know. So, what's next in our little box of mysteries? Next in our little box of mysteries, we have the Styla Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. This is a pretty cool little thing. It's you know, it's lipstick, but it's also shimmering and liquid. Like if I were to have a lipstick, I would prefer a liquid lipstick. I think liquid lipsticks are pretty cool. So here it is, this nice little pink tube. It's a pink tube. I'm not gonna even try to put it up in front of the camera because it's just gonna turn pure white again. But really cool little tube of makeup. You know, if you unscrew it, you'll see that, oh, it's a little brush that you use to brush it on your lips. Really useful. This is like a revolutionary idea, guys. I don't know how anybody could live without it. Next within our BoxyCharm Luxe is our Magic Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. You know, this is actually a brand that I you know, helped facilitate the idea of. You know, I typically wear my Batman mask when I go to sleep. So that's where they got the idea of the Dr. Brandt's Skin Changing Science Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It says it's biotic balancing, it's complex, deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce signs of redness and signs of irritation. I mean, what more can you ask for? It basically does the same thing as my Batman mask. Though I will say that wearing a Batman mask to sleep, probably a little bit more effective, but at the very least, This one's sponsored by a doctor. Mine's sponsored by the world's greatest detective, so whatever. You know? So within this it says a hydrating recovery sleeping mask powered by biotic balancing complex to balance skin's naturally occurring flora. Soothing peptides along with a restorative blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and calming ingredients work in harmony to help soothe, nourish, and restore hydration to the skin. This deeply hydrates, moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation, and locks in moisture to prevent water loss. Dr. Brandt recommends apply a mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. So, wow. I'm pretty sure nobody knows what half of the words that I just read were. But, at the very least, it's supposed to be good for you. That's all you need to know. It's good for you. So, next, out of our box. Oh, you thought we were done, huh? No. We have the Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. You know, in my younger days, I went through a goth stage, and I think some liquid eyeliner would have been perfect. You know, I'd even consider wearing it now. You know, can you picture if I were to sharpen up these eyes? Terrifying, right? I know. It's Hank and Henry's Slick. Oh man, this just gets rich. I was putting it down, but I was reading it. So it's Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I think we just need to get a remix in here. Blickety Black. Okay. All right. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for. What is the last item in this box? Oh, there goes our sleep mask. Guess I'm wearing Batman again tonight. So, the last item in this box. Oh, Jesus Christ, what happened? Chuchi, get away from this stuff. Go. Alright, so what's the last item in this box? Last item is the Sutra Beauty 32mm 1¼ inch clipless curling iron. Did you hear that, guys? It's clipless and it's a curling iron. I don't think I'm gonna open this one up because I think just the joy of an unopened curling iron is more than Cherry would want me to ruin. So I'm gonna leave it in the package, but just know that it's in here. It's clipless and it's a curling iron. So just to recap, we have the clipless curling iron. We have the Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black eyeliner. We have the Styla Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. Whew. We have the Park Ave Princess, or the Tarte Double P Chisel Palette. We have the Violet Voss Essential Pro Series eyeshadow palette. We have the sleep mask, which is slightly inferior to my Batman mask. Thumbs up if you'd like to see me wear a Batman mask in the next video. We have the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. Or maybe Tidal's the brand, I don't know. And last, the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm that you can't see because it's all white. from the light. So that concludes today's presentation of the September BoxyCharm Luxe. If you enjoy this video, please go ahead and give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you think, if you're even mildly entertained, go ahead and head on over and check out my ManVsCamera page. Cherry will be back in the next video, but for now, always remember that there's someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.